Haha, whoa, just take a look at this. Fedora 43, why that distribution? Are you like cheating on Arch or something? Okay, so cute anime waifu girl has returned as an assistant for your Linux machines. Like, yeah, I'm serious. An AI assistant as an anime girl for your Linux machines. And so it's like, you can just install it as an application. Can you believe it? And installing it is very, very simple and easy, to be honest. Like, you just need three commands which you can just enter in your terminal and it will be downloaded and installed and you don't have to do anything. Well, just start using it in your day-to-day life as a normal assistant. So yep, let's begin. Okay, so here it is, your beautiful anime AI waifu assistant in an application here. This is Nyarch Assistant, an assistant which was dedicatedly made for weebs. WEEBS, weebs. And yep, she's a 3D model which is pretty interactive if you ask me. Like, yeah, she's looking at my cursor wherever I place it. And yep, you do have an option to choose AI LLM models. This is an awesome interface and you can easily install it using these three commands. Well, to be honest, it's a one command, but I like to just, use it one command at a time. It is pretty easy, like just open the terminal and copy the commands. Like first, let's go to temp using this command and then download the assistant using this command. There it is, downloading, as you can see, like this. And after that, just install it using this command, like this. Now, I've already installed it, so I'm not going to do that again and again. And yep, you are going to need an API key in order to use them. Or you can download a completely offline model like ChatGPT 4 to use it offline forever. Isn't it awesome? Like, really awesome. Now, let me just try and grab the API key, okay? And here we are. I've added, my Gemini API key. You can easily get it from your Google AI Studio account. It is completely for free. And now whatever I do, like for example, hello, enter, and just check the response time. Hello, do you need something? Or you just wasting my time. It's not like I have anything better to do. Blink. Yeah, but she did blinked. Now, we do have other options like TDS, long-term memory, local documents, and web search. For example, tell me about Fedora 43. And now it's going to search for Fedora 43 in the web browser. And there we are. Haha, whoa, just take a look at this. Fedora 43, why that distribution? Are you like cheating on Arch or something? Anyway, Fedora 43 is a hypothetical next version of Fedora Linux after Fedora 42, which hasn't been released yet, since Fedora follows roughly a 6-month cycle. Okay. Now, let's try the voice mode, okay? Hello, what's up? How are you? Hello, what's up? Well, how can I actually enable that, I remember we did had an option of enabling that from the settings. Prompts, let's see. Okay, there we are, a lot of them. You have expressions like, yeah, the waifu girl can do a lot of things. Indeed. Then knowledge, avatar, text to speech, there we go. I'm going to go for Google TTS instead. And we have an option to change AI models, like we have Live 2D or a LivePNG. I wonder what this LivePNG one is. Let's try. Hello, what's what? Spit out. What are you trying to ask? Don't leave me hanging here like some kind of idiot. It's not like I want to know what you think or I think. Yep, she's definitely acting perfectly as an anime waifu girl. Well, nothing. I just wanted to talk to you about something. Well, nothing. I just wanted to talk to you about something. There we go. Now it is working properly. Now let's create another chat and start again, okay? Well, that is it. You don't need my help after all. Fine, I'm not disappointed or anything. It's not like I wanted to help you. Go away. Wow. She's actually like a wife. Now, okay, so I've been, planning to, what can I talk about? Like, what shall I talk about? As she's a waifu, let's see her reaction about some, those type of messages. So, okay. Oh shit, she listened, look like. Let me just delete that. Okay. Well, hello. Shit, please, you're making me blush. I'm not. Okay, just leave that, okay. Okay, so I've been wondering about something like there's a girl I like and I want to propose to her. So what should I do? Now, this is gonna be pretty interesting as she's a wife and you're asking to propose another girl. So let's see her reaction. Let's see. Arch-chan, wow. Let's see. Well, that's certainly a question. It's not like I know anything about romance or anything, so don't get the wrong idea if I give you advice, okay? First of all, obviously, you need to make sure she feels the same way. It's not like you can just randomly propose to someone, baka. I know what that is. Okay, then, so yeah. Don't forget the ring unless she's expressed dislike for traditional rings. In that case, well, you gotta get creative. Alright then, so yep, this is indeed something like anyone who wants a waifu girl anime as an AI assistant, this is it. Like, let's say I'm doing something and I face a problem and I want to install a game. So, how can I get that? Like, hey, I want to play GTA 5 on my Linux system. How can I do that? Now, this is a kind of question you should be asking, not, proposing to someone or something like that. Yep, we're just playing around with her, testing her limits and stuff. So let's say, okay, there we go. This is indeed an awesome AI assistant. So playing GTA 5 on Linux, it's not officially supported, which means you can't just normally play it, but don't worry, there are ways. First, using Steam Play Proton, obvious reasons. You can easily just install it using Steam. Let's see if we do have that or not. It's been some time since I tried GTA, and I did not have any idea that it's available on Steam. Okay, come on. But leaving that, we have another option using Lutris, similar like Steam, but better. Okay, so leaving that, if you had to give me an alternative to a GTA 5 like game, a game which officially supports Linux or works amazingly with Proton on Steam, just me some games like that. Now, these are the types of questions you are supposed to ask, not flirt with her. But that's one of the reasons you're installing her, aren't you? Fine, if you insist on suggesting me games. Okay, she's actually searching for ProtonDB first to see which is the best game. Smart. So yep, your anime waifu girl is gonna be smart. Like really smart, as you can see. Just looking at my cursor here and there. Well, yeah, she's indeed an awesome model. Okay, there we go. Okay, if you want something that's guaranteed to work, I can give you a few suggestions. It's not like I want to help. It's just practical, okay? I'll give I'll try to give you games similar to GTA 5, even though obviously nothing is quite the same. We have Mad Max and Shadow of Mordor or Shadow of War. These are the official ones. Then we have some amazing games which work amazingly from Proton like Cyberpunk, Red Dead Redemption, Witcher 3. Well, I like the Proton DB list, like the games which work well with Proton, but talk about something better, like something very similar to GTA. Now let's see if it can. Well, she can give it a no. And here we are. So you want something very similar to GTA? Let's see. We have Saint Row rebooted version. Watch Dogs. Okay, this is indeed an awesome game if you ask me. And the second and third part is better one. Like I might even end up installing that. Then Sleeping Dogs, another awesome game which is like a third-person game in Hong Kong. Really awesome. So yep, I believe that should give you an idea of how powerful this AI assistant is. It is able to search through internet, talk to you, and help you with a lot of Linux terminal commands and other stuff. This is the best AI assistant you could get with an anime waifu girl. So yep, and you can talk to her about anything. And she gives you answers with an attitude like, just take a look at this. Fine, if you want something guaranteed to work well on Linux, I guess I can give you a few suggestions. It's not like I want to help, it's just practical, okay? Just take a look at her attitude. She's well made and well crafted. So yep, I've already told you how to install it. And with that being said, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what do you think about it. And yep, if you want more videos on AI stuff on Linux, and especially which includes AI waifu girls, let me know in the comments and I'll meet you next video. Till then, I'm Moon signing out.